Hey, what's up guys? Back to you guys with another video. Hope you're having a great day. And we're back here at the park, and Tyler's being dumb and fat. Tyler, you being dumb and fat?
Si, senor.
Yeah, you are. Alright, so we're back here at the park. Let me get myself in focus.
Ken Dog!
Ken Dog's here. And yeah, Ken Dog's showing up. He just got back from school. And it's lit. It's every day, bro. I can say words too.
Copyright.
Copyright. I can say words too. Alright, let's go check in on our man Kendred.
Located it.
What'd you do to your arm, kid?
I dislocated it.
Tell us the whole story. Start to finish. Here to here.
No.
Yeah, whole story. What?
Wait.
When did you decide you wanted to like break your arm?
On your bike, he also craps in our hallway.
How did you break your arm?
I didn't.
How'd you
Dislocated it.
How'd you
Kendra, your phone
how'd
cracked.
you do that?
Yeah, right.
How'd you do all that?
Kendra, your
I
phone's
tripped.
cracked.
Huh?
I tripped.
Tell us how the trip was.
Kendra, look.
It was horrible.
Did you go to Disneyland?
Your phone's cracked. Look. Right there. Right there.
Right, guys. So the vlog life is rough, okay? So up here in Fernley, it's really kind of a more conservative area. Like, we don't have too many people doing crazy, fancy stuff. Oh my God. So those people just drove by, right? And they just look at me like, why is this dude talking to a camera? And I'm like, because I can talk to a camera, okay? Right? No. But yeah, most of them are actually really like supportive because it's something different than what's normal here. Like if I'm in LA and stuff, like, oh yeah, everyone's talking to cameras there. But I'm like the only guy here talking to a camera, so it's lit. So yeah, this is what I get for vlogging outside, because I go to vlog outside and there's noise everywhere. You get a fancy mic and then everyone's doing their own business, making noise. What jerks. So yeah, I'm headed here, basically a whole sketch. People look at me weird while I vlog here. That's it. I'm going home real quick. See you guys in a second. Bye. Alright guys, so I came home and I did nothing, and now I'm going back out, and I charged my camera battery a little bit, so I should be good to vlog all I want. And tomorrow I might just be vlogging in school. What? No way, you say? Vlogging in school? That's crazy. I might bring the whole DSLR in and just vlog. It'll be litty McKitty. Alright guys, so I was just saying how like everybody just goes outside and makes a ton of noise, right? So I'm outside and everybody's making noise, right? There's, alright here, you know, just for example, there's doggos barking, right, over there. Joseph and Ken are doing something outside, right? Somebody's doing something with a loud motor thing. And then my thing is doing everything. And everything is just so loud and noisy. How am I even gonna vlog in these terms of situation? Like, look. There are 3 little Alexes barking their heads off. They're so cute, dogs. They're barking their heads off. Yeah, it's noisy. Alright guys, so this kid is wild, right? So spontaneously he just goes like, hey, I want to buy a dirt bike. Alright,
Actually, if he
worked
for
dude, he bought the dirt bike.
It runs like crap.
Little boy dirt bike.
Oh, that's it.
So yeah, this dirt bike's a piece of crap. Alright guys, so update, Joseph already got rid of the quad. Dirt bike, whatever. He buys a quad, gets rid of it in one day. Jesus Christ. Joseph. Joseph, if you're watching this, you're retarded.
Hey, Talana! Talana! I'm just kidding. What did you say?
When can I get my boyfriend back?
Y'all wanna see something?
Whenever we break up.
Well, when is that gonna happen?
Not for a while.
You asshole. You got me excited for a second. I want Joseph back.
Wait, are you giving Cody Joseph back?
After we break up.
Wait, I thought you guys were gonna stay together till like my birthday at least.
Well, it happens whenever we break up. I'm trying to read your shirt. Hey!
Tom Brady.
I saw some kids that
Will
sold
your
Brady's
mom give
jersey.
you money? Will your dad give you $5? Like, she said, what's the running off of
Alana, she's already. Cody's
my mom
already
might give
asking.
Cody $5, but
Cody's already asking.
my
Alana.
dad's not home.
What?
Ooh, no shots though. Oh, no shots. Woo! Alana, you're actually really pretty.
I have hepatitis shot.
I rule! Look it up. Edison was a dick.
Alright guys, this is probably like the first actual inside clip of this vlog. Probably gonna title like he bought a or something stupid. What am I doing now? Well, I was watching some T. Brungart. He's like a legend. I feel like Joseph right now. I'm just sitting here. So, yeah, I'm inside my house. I got some stuff to do. I'm going to be cleaning on my room and stuff. I have to get some stuff ready for school tomorrow. Just do some stuff. So, yeah. It's pretty ham. I'm busy AF. But what did I just do? I'm an idiot. Alright, guys. So, I go to edit this clip together, like this video together, right? And I realize, oh, God, I lost a half part of this video. And now I'm going to have to do something to fill up this video. So I'm going to go think of something to do interesting for the rest of this video. And then, I just thought of something. Let me show you what I'm going to do, guys. One sec. Give me a second. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching today's video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye. Wear my sweatshirt.
Then you can wear my sweatshirt.